Why remove personal data from the internet?
Protecting your privacy online is more important than ever. Personal information on public databases can be used for identity theft, targeted scams, or unwanted contact. Taking control and removing your sensitive data helps reduce these risks and keeps your information out of the hands of strangers. AI tools can make this process much easier and more effective.
Choosing the right AI removal tool.
There are several AI-powered apps and services designed to locate and help remove your personal data online. Popular options include services like DeleteMe, Incogni, and Optery. When selecting a tool, consider features such as database coverage, automation, pricing, and transparency about their process. Always read user reviews and privacy policies before signing up.
How AI tools find your personal data.
AI-driven apps scan the internet for personal information, such as your name, address, phone number, email, and more. They use algorithms to search data broker sites, people finder websites, and other public databases. Once identified, these tools compile a report showing where your data appears and what specific information is exposed.
Requesting data removal with AI.
Most AI tools make removal requests automatically on your behalf. After finding your data, the app sends requests to websites and data brokers to delete your information. Some tools may need your approval for each site, while others handle everything for you. Progress tracking helps you see which sites have removed your data and which are still pending.
Maintaining your online privacy.
Removing data is often an ongoing task. New information can appear as sites update their records. Set reminders to review your privacy status or use tools that monitor changes automatically. Practicing safe online habits, using strong passwords, and thinking twice before sharing personal information can help protect your privacy for the long term.